Our final fluency practice involves us multiplying decimals, okay? So the way you multiply decimals is the same way you would multiply any number. So you at first would ignore that there are decimals there, okay? Multiply the way you guys have been multiplying. Multiply using standard algorithm. You guys have mastered that in the past, so let's do that now. 4 times 2, that's 8. 2 times 1, that's 2. 7 times 2, that's 14. Carry the 1. 1 times 2, that's 2. Plus 1, that's 3. Now, again, 2 times 4, that's 8. Sorry, this is a common mistake. Do not do that. Don't do that. Put your place value holder, right? Because now we're working with the 10th place. 2 times 4, that's 8. 2 times 2 is 2. 4 and 3 should look the same exact way as the top one did, except that a place value was added because we were multiplying by 2. Now let's add our third place value. 3 times 4, that's 12. 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 1, that's 4. 3 times 7, that's 21. Carry the 1. And then 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 2, that is 5. So now after having all of our numbers, we're going to just add like we would normally add. So that's 8, that's 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we have the number 551,908. But obviously that's not correct, because if you guys use reasonableness, you would notice, okay, I have decimals up here and I have none down here. So the way you guys would multiply fractions decimals using standard algorithm is looking at the amount of decimals or numbers after the decimal point to identify how many you are going to put down here. So here I have in both factors, right? Here I have 2 in this factor and I have 2 in this factor. So I'm going to add them together. I'm going to add both of those. That's 4. That means I have 4 in total numbers after the decimal point. So I'm going to go in my answer. Look, I'm going to count 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right here is where my decimal point should lie. And this would be my accurate answer. Okay? On the next slide, you guys are going to practice multiplying numbers with decimal points.